So are you also running a snow removal service business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your snow removal service business. So like you, I am also running a snow removal service business and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp. But this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I have simply created a Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot tailored for your snow removal service business. This chatbot can help your customers book these services, view the pricing and see these service areas. So whether it's a snowy drive away or a commercial lot, this bot keeps your communication fast and efficient. So let's dive in and build your snow cleaning assistant on WhatsApp. So yes, you can see, so to do this I've already created my WhatsApp chatbot, and first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this chatbot. So for that I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and let's say I'm just going to message them, hey, I want to remove snow. And once I'm just going to message them this, automatically my chatbot has got started. And yes, over here you can see that we have successfully received a WhatsApp message with the help of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. And now further, if I want to book a service, I can go towards this book service and I can book the service automatically. And further, if I want to view the pricing, I can go towards this view pricing and it is going to respond me accordingly. And further, if I want to view these service areas, I can go towards this service areas and it is going to respond me accordingly. And now if I want to contact the team, I can go towards this contact team button right over here and it is going to respond me accordingly. So yes, you can see that this chatbot is solving all my user queries within seconds. So yes, this is the powerful chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then for that you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, we are simply going to open a new tab and we are just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser. So I'm simply going to look for pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. And now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here we're going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore the application. But over here I am an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this button which says sign in. And once we're going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And once we're going to click on this access now, it is going to open my dashboard. And over here I'm just going to add a WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot. So to add a WhatsApp number, we are simply going to go towards this add WhatsApp number button, and over here you're going to get two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So video tutorial dedicated to both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. I have already added my WhatsApp number, so I'm just going to move on further and create a WhatsApp chatbot. So to create a WhatsApp chatbot, I'm just going to go towards the left side of the bar, and over here on the left side of the bar you can see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Today this video is only going to focus on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your snow removal service business. So for that we are just going to use the flow section of our Pabbly Chatflow account. So I'm just going to go towards this flow builder, and now after opening this, over here you can see all the flows which I've already created, total flows, total active flows and total inactive flows. But today we are just going to start from scratch. For that I'm just going to go towards this add flow button given right over here. And after coming over here towards this add flow button, first I'm just going to name my flow. So I'm just going to name my flow as this, which is WhatsApp chatbot for snow removal service business. And now after naming my chatbot, over here to start this flow we have three options. Either we can use keywords, regex or template. So if you want to start this flow with the help of a template, you can go towards this choose template button. You first have to create a template, and when Meta approves that template, you're going to get the option to select the template right over here. And once you're going to select the template, automatically whenever your user is going to reply to that template, your flow is going to get triggered. The next which we have is regex. So regex are regular expressions which help your WhatsApp chatbot understand what a user is trying to say by matching specific keywords in their messages. And the third one which we have is keywords itself. So over here, if you want to add keywords, you can simply go towards this enter keywords. You simply have to type your keywords like this and then press enter. So it is a really important step to type the keyword and press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. Today I'm just going to start this flow with the help of a regex. So I'm simply going to enter my regex pattern right over here. So as you can see that I've successfully entered the regex pattern right over here. And after entering this regex pattern, I'm simply going to switch on this toggle button. So we only have to switch on this toggle button for case sensitive regex. It is not mandatory to switch on this toggle button. And you must be wondering why I've entered this regex pattern only. So over here now, after entering this regex pattern, what is going to happen is that whenever my user is going to message me anything, be it a long message, be it a short message, be it a single line, or be it a single word, whenever my user is going to message me anything, automatically this flow is going to get started because I have entered this regex. So you can also use this regex for your own WhatsApp chatbot. And now we're going to move on further. Now what I want is that whenever my user messages me anything, I first want to send them a message something like this. So to send them a message something like this, I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message I want to send them. So as you can see that this is the message I want to send them. But not only this message, you can also see that in this message I have kept some text as bold. So how are we going to bold these two lines? So to bold these two lines, we are simply going to add a star in the starting of the line and in the end of the line which we want to bold. And same, I'm just going to do it with this text only. I'm just going to add a star in the starting of the text and in the end of the text to make the text bold. And after doing this, you also see that over here I have added some buttons in this text message, right? So for that, I'm just going to add buttons right over here. We are just going to add 3 buttons, and one by one I'm just going to add text in all of these 3 buttons. First is book service, the next one is view pricing, so I'm just going to add the text for the same right over here, which is view pricing, and the third one which we have is service areas. So I'm just going to add the text for this too. And now we're going to move on further. Now I'm just going to set up the message for all of these 3 one by one. So we are just going to start with book service. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection right over here and select the content type as text plus button. And now for the book service, I'm just going to send them a message something like this. So I'm simply going to send them a message something like this. So I'm simply going to enter the same message right over here. And now with this book service, I'm just going to add a button of contact team 2. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply add a button and enter the text in this button which is contact team. And now we're going to move on further, and now I'm just going to set up the message for view pricing. I'm just going to simply drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message for pricing. Over here you can see for pricing, I'm just going to send them a message something like this. So I'm simply going to enter this message right over here, and with this message you can see I also want to send them 2 buttons, which is book service and contact team. So one by one I'm just going to add both of these buttons right over here. One is book service and the another one is contact team. So I'm just going to add 2 buttons right over here, and after adding these 2 buttons we are going to move on forward towards the third, which is service areas. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now for service areas I'm just going to enter a message like this. So I'm simply going to enter the same message right over here. Once again I'm just going to add 2 buttons in this message too, which is book service and contact team. So I'm simply going to add both of these buttons right over here and move on further. Now I'm just going to move on further. Over here for book service, I've already set it up the message. So I'm simply going to connect this book service buttons with this book service message. So yes, we don't have to create multiple messages for similar kind of buttons. We can simply connect it like this. And now I'm simply going to set up the message for contact team. For that I'm simply going to drag and drop the connection right over here and select the content type as text plus button. And now I'm just going to enter the message for contact team. So as you can see, I'm just going to simply enter this message right over here, and after entering this message I'm simply going to connect all the buttons with set contact team with this contact team message. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our WhatsApp chatbot. And likewise you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot according to your specific needs for your snow removal removal service business. This is only a test WhatsApp chatbot, alright? Using these action nodes, you can create multiple messages like these, alright? So with this, we have successfully completed our WhatsApp chatbot, and now I'm just going to test it in real time. So for that, first I'm just going to save this WhatsApp chatbot right from here, and now I'm just going to test it in real time. And before going towards the testing, you have to keep in mind that this button should always be switched on. So now I'm just going to open my WhatsApp, and we're just going to clear the previous conversation to start fresh. And let's say I'm just going to message them hello this time. So I'm just going to type hello right over here and message them hello. And once I'm just going to send them hello, yes, you can see the chatbot has got triggered. And further, if I want to view the pricing, I can go to its view pricing. And then further, if I want to book the service, I can go to its this book service button and then contact team button one by one. And automatically my chatbot is going to solve all my user queries within seconds. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed this WhatsApp chatbot. And not only sending and receiving a WhatsApp messages, but you can also check the proper conversation which happened between the user and the chatbot by going towards this inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this, you can also check the status of the message, when the message was sent, delivered and read, with the help of this inbox section. So you can go and explore this inbox section, and if you want to learn more about this inbox section in detail, we have attached a video towards it in the description box below. You can check it out. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed our WhatsApp chatbot for snow removal service business. Now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own snow removal service business. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.